Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Microsoft's Phone Link app, then you may be interested to know that according to a recent article by Windows Central, which I'll leave linked in the description, Microsoft is now exploring several improvements to the Windows 11 shell and user experience that will incorporate your smartphone into more aspects of the operating system, where apparently Microsoft is working to expand and improve Phone Link's smartphone integration so that the integration feels more native to the Windows operating system. Now, according to the post, first up, the phone companion that we get now in the Start menu on Windows 11 is set to receive a couple of upgrades where it's gaining, first of all, the ability to show more recent activities, with users being able to scroll through the list without needing to open the Phone Link app. And you'll also be able to hover over activities in the recent section to see more information such as an entire message or photo, which I do think is a nice touch. And then next up, if we have a look at a screen grab provided, apparently Microsoft is working on a new dedicated smartphone flyout, which will exist on the taskbar in the system tray. And the phone icon will be present whenever your phone is connected. And clicking on it will open a flyout that provides you with an overview of your phone status, which I also think is another nice move if you are using the Phone Link app. So it'll feature things like, as we can see here, your phone's name, connection status, your battery status, do not disturb, volume on, ring my phone, and then you can click on more mobile settings. And then just to mention the next, another feature Microsoft is looking into is syncing your clipboard history between your phone and PC using Windows 11's clipboard feature. Currently, you can sync your clipboard from your phone and PC, but it only remembers the last thing you copied. So clipboard history would provide you with a synced list of everything that has been copied. And then last up, Microsoft is also working on a new dedicated Messages app for Windows 11, which will sync your phone's SMS conversations and let you respond and start chats with your contacts. Apparently, this experience will build upon the Messages feature already present in the Phone Link app, but this will exist as a standalone app that can be pinned and launched from the Start menu. Now, I personally think this might be a bit of redundancy. Having your messages in a dedicated little app you can pin to the Start menu, but nonetheless, interesting stuff. And apparently sources say that all of these features are being explored and prototyped internally at Microsoft. But just remember, that doesn't guarantee that they'll ship as described or ship at all. And Microsoft is likely planning to gather feedback from insiders when it does make its way into the insider program first, to obviously gather feedback from insiders before committing to ship anything concrete to the general public. But I'll keep my ear to the ground with this, and obviously if I get more info, I'll keep you in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.